good news that you all know that Covaxin is now in regular emergency use authorization. And our terminology for this is that it is now allowed for restricted use in emergency situation in public interest. And this has taken the authorization for Covaxin to the next level, the same level at which our other great vaccine, Covishield, has been operating. You are aware that back in January, a decision was taken to allow its restricted use, but there was a condition for abundant precaution, in the interest of abundant precaution, that we will scale it up in a clinical research mode or a research cohort mode, and that's how the scale up was happening. Now that restriction, that condition is now no more there. Both the vaccines now have the same level and same intensity of the licensure backup. The same licensure now applies to both the vaccines, so therefore it's a great day. This vaccine, as you know, has already been given to more than 19 lakh people, and it has stood the test of time in terms of great safety. Only 311 individuals had some minimal side effects. We are very worried about Maharashtra. Across several districts of Maharashtra, you saw their names, and as we came in, we learned that there is a strict lockdown being imposed in Nagpur in particular. So we are reaching a situation where those approaches are being brought back. It's a very serious matter. It has two lessons for us. One, don't take the virus for granted. It can come up unexpectedly. It can come up when its own dynamics, part of which we don't know, favor the virus. And it also tells us that if we have to remain free of this virus with time, it is very important that all our armamentarium, COVID appropriate behavior, containment strategy, readiness from the health system point of view, our facilities, and so on and so forth, as well as vaccination today, has to be brought into facing this pandemic and the virus in full ballast. For example, it will be our suggestion that in districts, in all the states where the virus is seemingly on the rise in a significant way, the vaccination of the eligible individuals in those areas should be intensified, should be prioritized, in fact. That will be our advice. I also want to bring in here a word of caution for the Delhi and neighborhood, that Delhi is also seeing somewhat of a rise, somewhat of increase in positivity rate. So also in Gurgaon, Faridabad, as well as to an extent in Gautam Budh Nagar and Ghaziabad. Be careful, be watchful. We still have a huge population at risk of this virus. This pandemic is not yet over. Until it is fully over, it is not over. And therefore, be vigilant. And today, using the force of vaccination, we are in a position to give a fight which is stronger than the fight that we gave thus far. So we plead yet again to all of us, all the individuals here, as well as those who are listening to us, do not lower your guard. Do not take this virus for granted. At the same time, please embrace the vaccines that are available. Please, if you are eligible, we want to cover you the fastest possible way. There are flexible modes of receiving the vaccine, which are now being appreciated by one and all. Keep in mind that there is a full partnership of the entire health sector out here in our journey, in our mission to control this pandemic.